Hello friends. Yes, I look crazy. I've been cooking. I wanted to do some meal prep, so I made cabbage salad. I've got 2 containers of this. I made my own little chili oil. Hopefully, yeah, you just pour hot oil on top of chili flakes. Boom, chili oil. Let me show you the rest. We got some chicken lomi soup. I haven't added the green onions yet, but I will later. I fried some eggs just because the boys might want that for lunch with some rice or spaghetti. And then this is adobo, chicken adobo in my slow cooker. Did all the food prep. It's in the fridge now. Justin helped me clean up. And now we're gonna go to feed my starving children for like 2 hours and pack food. So I had my hair up in a bun, or like a clawclip, because I learned from last time, like, you're gonna wear a hairnet so it's easier when your hair is up. But yeah. We love doing this. We did it last year for the first time with Bubby and Sophia, but this time around we're just gonna do it like as our family of 4. Hello friends, so we volunteered at Feed My Starving Children for like 2 hours. It went by fast. I remember last year it went by fast, but this year went by faster. I got tips if you ever are at a food shelter. What you do is you wear comfy shoes because you're up on your feet for hours straight, and then you don't wear jewelry. They make you take off your jewelry, so don't wear it at all. That's the thing that I forgot. So next year I won't be wearing my jewelry in advance. Have your hair up because they're going to make you have a hairnet, and so it's easier for you to just put the hairnet on top when your hair is already up. It was wonderful. And then we went to Trader Joe's. No holiday stuff yet. I was hoping they would have all these holiday chocolates and things like that so I can like put it in goodie bags or gift baskets for Christmas. What are y'all doing? Jacob's feet. Jacob! Yeah. We went to Trader Joe's. Justin wants to grill tomorrow, but they didn't have crab. And you know, one thing about me is they got steak at Trader Joe's, but they didn't have crab. So Justin is at the grocery store. Another one, Lens and Byerly. It's like a Minnesota one. And he is in there grabbing me a crab, a crab leg, so he can grill that for me because, you know, I don't eat meat. But yeah, today was a great day. This is new. I never bought the coffee bean blast. The boys love the yogurts. Oh my God, I'm going to have this tonight. You don't understand. This is like when Justin and I first moved in together, this was my favorite treat. Right, honey? It's my favorite. I love it. And then Justin loves these Greek yogurts so much. Oh my gosh, shrimp gyoza. Honey, look, I got these sandwich to make like sandwich rolls. Right? And then, honey, can you show them the 3 apple? Oh my gosh. Look at all the apple bars. Oh yeah. Liam got 3 of these things. Yeah. He loves them. And then we got a bunch of frozen food too for like when I don't cook.
I'm sorry.
And then we got steak. We got 3 of them. Oh my goodness. You love your new daddy. So sweet. He's 7 months now. Can you believe it?
Well, he was 7 months yesterday.
Yeah, well now he is. That's what I meant, Jacob. Hello, my vlog friends. How are you? I know typically for a cooking video, I shouldn't have my hair down. But girl, I discovered this new hair volumizer that Bretman Rock uses. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is how I'm going out today. Okay, actually, no, I'm going to shower before I go out because I'm going to get my lashes filled later on in the afternoon at 2. But for now, the hair is giving. Yeah, I like to have a fresh face, no makeup on when I get my lashes filled. It makes it easier for my lash person. And also it makes it more sanitary. And also, I just feel like it lasts longer because there's no other chemicals around it. And it's easier for me to wash my face at night when I don't have to like take off eye makeup and stuff, you know what I mean? Because you're supposed to go water-free. Like you can't rinse the lashes for 24 hours. So I don't. Actually, I lied. You know I lied. I shower, so I can't help if the water touches my lashes. But I'm not like doing this like the other days because I use lash shampoo most of the days. Actually, every day. Or I just use my face soap and do like that. Because it doesn't come off. Like, my lash girl is so good. Like, nothing comes off. Anyways, I'm going to film a Cook with April. I'm wearing red for Niners. Go Niners. It's Sunday. Did you get your lovely hour of sleep? I hope you did. Or I hope whatever you did, you used that hour, you know what I'm saying? Justin woke up early and he has been working on the couch right now. I woke up to do my hair. Right now I'm going through like a weird phase where I'm like, yep, just me and my hair. I made the viral crispy rice omelet. I call it a pizza. Oh, I made chili oil the other day. It is the spiciest chili oil I've ever had. It's because I made it, and it was a lot of red pepper flakes. Man, let me tell you. Okay, so it looks like pizza. And I like it, but I needed to add some ketchup. Because I just like ketchup and eggs all the time. I would add hot sauce, but it's already spicy because of the chili oil. But check out my new reel because it's super short, quick about it. And that's a recipe. I wanted to try the viral Nomtastic Foods video that he made. Of course, I gave him his flowers. I always like share where, you know, where I found the viral video from. But dang, it's spicy. Hello, jump scare. No more hair and makeup. I showered and I'm about to go get my lashes filled while my boys watch the Niners game. I hope the Niners win. Hello friends, how are you? I had my little workout in. It was so nice. There were 2 new people that I worked out with today that I never have worked out with before. Our instructor or our trainer, she asked us what is something that we're looking forward to, just straight up. Sorry, I just spilled some of my little crab. I said I'm looking forward to lunch. Because you know that's me. Justin grilled steak and crab last night. And I have leftover chicken lomi soup. We have adobo. We have Chinese salad that I made. We have the crispy rice patties that I made. So I'm just going to eat a mixture of it. Oh, and also I'm gonna grab me some salad later. I'm making zucchini bread and I filmed a video for it too, like a little short form cooking video. I'm just like filming all my old videos on Cook with April and making them short form. I have the loaf in the oven, but I have extra but not enough for a loaf, so I am making little like cupcakes, zucchini cupcakes, I guess. I love zucchini. Oh girl, you know I'm about to make some cream cheese frosting. Actually, yeah, I think that's good with it. Hi little old man, we love you. Look at his handsome little face. Oh, you don't want to show us? But I love your face. It's a beautiful one. You gorgeous boy. Vlog friends, how are you? I got Chicken Little. I was thinking about, I was all like, am I going to make it on time for his dentist appointment? Jacob, I was even thinking about going to the office and taking you out. But I was like, I checked the time and I was like, I think I'll make it. And here we are, 20 minutes early. So we made it.
20?
Yeah, we have to wait. I know you don't like waiting, but I think it's really important to be early. It's a lesson that we need to learn. Like, we don't dilly-dally.
Should
we
we
get
be
to our
20
lunch.
minutes early?
Yes. Because 20, if you're not, you're late. That's how I feel. Like, we have to be on time, buddy. And sometimes being on time means being here early. 20, maybe not 20, buddy, but maybe like 10, I would say. But it's good. It feels good. You sit down, you relax, you know you're not late. You can go to the restroom. You want to go potty?
No.
Okay. Anyways, I'm not sure if I told you, we're going to take Jakey to his dentist appointment. I don't know if I mentioned that. And then he has an orthodontist appointment tomorrow. Justin will take him and then I'll pick up Liam. And then today is my big boy's first basketball practice because he joined basketball for the first time ever. He had some basketball training, like basketball camp for a few weeks. I think it was like 6 weeks. And so I think that will help him. So remember the coach that was like, it's not about fun. Did you learn something today? I liked him. He was funny. Girl, let me tell you what happened with my nails. So I was cleaning the whole house. I have a reel on it if you want to check it out. It's like one of my newest ones. I'll link it down below, but it's a whole clean with me, right? My nail falls off. And so I was like, okay, let me just peel off the rest of them. My press-on nails. And mind you, I've been doing press-on nails for years, on and off. But like, ow! Oliver just scratched me. Sorry, he was reaching for me. He didn't mean to. But yeah, I was peeling my nail off. And there was green, girl. That is fungus. That is some nasty-ish right there. And I've been doing my press-on nails forever. And this is the first time it had green. So what I do? I said no, I need a break from these press-on nails. Like, I think that I'm doing such a good job like sealing it, and I only keep on my press-on nails for like max 7 days because I don't want to do no 2 weeks. But I have little nubbins for nails now because I quit press-on nails for I need a break. And so I have little nubbins. But these are Dazzle Dry Nail Polish, and they dried so fast. I got it SPR last year, and I was like, well, I guess this is the nail polish I have, so let me try it. Boom! It was fast. I'm so happy with it. I just want my nails to grow. And the reason why they're so short is when you wear press-on nails, you want it to be as short as possible so that it's not like two double nail bed looking things when you do like this. Yeah, anyways, just thought I'd share, like, be careful, check your press-on nails. I love press-on nails so hard, and I've loved them for so many years on and off, but I may have washed my hands too much, or, well, I'm not going to say sorry to that, because I'm going to wash my hands all the time regardless, but the water may have gotten into it. Ow, Oliver, we're not playing right now. It might have gotten into it, I don't know, but, yeah, once you see that, you can unsee it, and then it kind of turns you off. And I also don't want to do acrylics because my sister told me a story about acrylics too. So I'm left with just these little nubbins. I'm going to wait for them to grow and just do my own nails for a minute until maybe there's a special occasion, and then I'll do press-ons again, or not. But yeah, anyways, just thought I'd share. Thank you for watching the vlogs. I love you, friends. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends. By the way, this is Ollie, and he was reaching for me. Now you know why. I was like, ow. Ollie, what you, ow, see? You see, he be reaching for me in my pants, in my shirt.